Let's begin our continuation of the lesson, Unit 4. Here, that Unit 4, Molecular Biology. In this unit, we have one chapter, that is Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Here, listen, molecular biology means it will completely related molecular atoms, that is called as a RNA, DNA things. And also we have to study about proteins, lipids and everything. These are all our biological molecular items or biological molecular things. In molecular basis of inheritance, how the DNA is participating to changing of genetical modifications in animals and plants. What is the role in genetical modifications we studied in this chapter, and as well as in molecular basis of inheritance, what is replication and what is recombinant DNAs we studied in this chapter, right? The next chapter is chapter 5, biotechnology. Here almost, which is completely indirectly related to the chapter 4 called biomolecules. Here also in biotechnology means principles and processes of biotechnology. Means what are the principles followed to in biotechnology? Means genetically modified seeds or genetically modified plants, like that. And how the biotechnology will useful for modification and the preparation of vaccines or preparation of new genetically modified seeds, like that we studied in this chapter 11. And chapter 12, here biotechnology and its applications. Biotechnology and its application means nowadays we have a big burning problem called as a corona. We know that. And so many countries will trying to prepare a vaccine. Here the biotechnology will play a major role to preparation of vaccines. And automatically we know that what is the importance of vaccines nowadays. So biotechnology is useful for preparation of vaccines and preparation of food enhancement and preparation of other new varieties which is useful for human life will coming from the biotechnology. Here biotechnology nowadays very crucial syllabus, and also so many people are trying to get learn about the biotechnology way, which is MSc biotechnology and some other ways. Because of this branch is very important in future to the next generations. So biotechnology and its applications, how it is useful, we studied in this chapter 5, biotechnology. And the last chapter unit, which is called as a 6th unit, plant, microbes and human welfare. Plant, microbes and human welfare. In this unit, just students, chapter 5 and chapter 6 also interlinked chapters. Okay, here strategies for enhancement in food production means what are the steps we will need to take in for improvement of food development. Why we need to development of food means the population, human population is day by day increases we need more and more food, so that we need to improve the food productivities. Then what are the strategies will taken to improvement of food and development of food productivities will studied in these chapters. That means poultries and agricultural waste and sericultural waste, like that. And in this chapter, what type of strategies means taken of steps to improvement of food, okay, we'll study it in this chapter. And how it is useful for human, and suppose we are not taken in this type of strategies. For example, in green revolution, suppose green revolution is not taken in the last passing years, now there is no food in India and world also, okay. So once when they are initiating and improvement of agricultural farms by the way of green revolution, nowadays sufficient food is easily to provide to the people, to the humans, by the biological strategies. So food enhancement is necessary in our future. So what type of precautions or what type of processes we are followed in this food enhancement we studied in this chapter. Then last one is chapter 14, that is microbes in human welfare. See children, here microbes are not only harmful, some of the microbes are very useful for human life, our daily life. Just like just you see that example, preparation of curd, okay, it is a daily life, daily utilizing food material, and preparation of cheese. These are all bread, wine, industrial beverages, like that. Food materials are easily we are extracting from the microbes only. So that food materials are very useful for humans. So for the purpose of human welfare, we are indirectly or directly depending on the microbes. So in this chapter, we are studying what type of fields microbes are useful. What type of fields in the sense agricultural use of microbial uses, and industrial purposes of microbial uses, daily purposes of microbial uses, and other, right? Some other purposes, medicinal use, like that, vaccine or antibiotic formation, like that. These are all are including in this chapter. Means the microbial organisms like viruses, fungus, bacteria are useful for human life, for the purpose of human welfare. What type of useful things are presented in this chapter, we'll study it, okay. That is called as a microbes in human welfare, right? From this chapter also we are getting 8 more question, that is long answer type questions are coming from this chapter also. So dear students, we have 6 chapters and 6 units and 14 chapters. In this all chapters, the complicated things are in unit 1, which is very lengthy and a little bit difficult chapter, but we have to concentrate in this chapter because we have a long answer type questions. Overall 14 marks will coming from this chapter. So we have to concentrate in this unit. As well as little bit difficulty chapter, one more, biotechnology. Here that biotechnology, how the recombinant DNAs are prepared, what are the uses of recombinant DNAs, like that we'll study in this chapter. And in this chapter is also we are getting one more 8 more question, so that This is also important chapter from our syllabus. And the last one is sixth chapter, which is very easiest chapter, and also will get a full marks from this chapter, so that we are concentrated in this chapter also. Maybe it is in a last chapter, but it is in a important chapter, right? So children, just today we are finished our overall senior inter botany syllabus very clearly. From next class onwards, we are going to be discussed one by one chapter wise, and clear cut information and clear details of that chapter. Okay, bye.